She is a Bay, B-A-E, Bay. I don't know what is the meaning of Bay also that those time, no? So Geeta Ma is a Bay. So then I asked my daughter, what is that Bay? School person, yo person.
Yo! Hello and welcome to In the Spotlight with TNG. And today's spotlight will be on गीता श्रीधर, जिनको हम प्यार से गीता माँ के नाम से जानते हैं. गीता माँ. अब गीता माँ के बारे में हम आप लोग को क्या ही बताएं. ये क्या क्या करते हैं, ये बहुत कुछ करते हैं. अगर आप इनकी एज को देखोगे तो ऐसा लगेगा कि कोई नौजवान भी इनसे compete नहीं कर पाएगा. She is 55 years old, but she is a very good cook. She can act, she can dance. She is a very good, very big philanthropist. इनको अब्दुल कलाम अवार्ड भी मिला है because she takes care of kids on her own without any support of any NGO, which is like commendable. Apart from these achievements, she was also a finalist in MasterChef India 2016. That is 4th edition. So Geeta Ma, how are you? Welcome.
Hi. Yeah, welcome.
कैसे हो आप?
सुपर
डुपर लग रहे हो आप. ये ग्लो का राज हमें भी बता दीजिए माँ. हम लोग को भी यंग दिखना है आपकी तरह.
Have 3 liters of water.
Okay.
Full day smile like me.
Nice.
Rest all goes on well.
Fantastic. You're looking really beautiful, Ma. Thank you very much for coming. अच्छा गीता माँ, आपको पूछने के लिए तो we have so many questions, but I just wanted to start with a simple question कि you do so many things. You are a teacher, you are a chef, you dance, you act, you are a social media influencer also. So आप जब as a kid, what did you want to be first? So what was your first thought कि मुझे क्या करना है?
From small, no, I loved to be a teacher only because I always keep my father and mother sitting in one side and I make them sit and write ABCD. From the small, I do that.
Acha, nice.
And so, my father says in Tamil, I'm telling because I was born and brought up in Chennai, no. So he always says I want to go 1 number. So I will say chop, bite. I will say in Tamil, ukkar pesada abdi. So from very 5 years only, I was acting like a teacher only.
Wow. So you always knew that you wanted to be a teacher.
Yes.
Acha. So Geeta Ma, which subject do you teach specifically?
Actually, till 10th standard, I was thinking of taking maths because I was loving maths. But suddenly what happened after joining 11th standard, there was an option of computer science was there. That is the first time came 35 years before.
Oh,
First
nice.
year it was. So I thought, let me try it, what it is. So I took computer. Then मेरे को computer line पे जाने का था. So I did in computer. So I am a computer teacher and I did my masters in computer applications. I did.
Wow.
MCA in Chennai University I did. After my MCom I did.
Nice. So we have someone who is brilliant also, and she is a brilliant cook also. Now this is like a very rare combination, Geeta Ma. जो आप वो टाइम पे से कंप्यूटर्स में थे और तभी तो हम लोग को शायद पता भी नहीं था कंप्यूटर्स होता क्या है. So that's like amazing. अच्छा Geeta Ma, I wanted to ask you. So how did this transformation from a teacher to a social media influencer begin? As in, how did this journey start?
The social media influencer started just 4-5 years before only.
Acha.
Till then, I was a normal social worker and a teacher, and I love to dance always because I only take the dance class of the annual day. Because every year principal tells Geeta, you take the in charge, you take the in charge. I won't dance, I do the expression and tell them to do it, they will do it. So every time I was the one who was caught for the annual day to do all the programs. But suddenly my life changed one day after I went into the MasterChef finalist. MasterChef I went, but that too I didn't know. My husband told that there is a thing going on. So if you want, you can apply through SMS. Those days it was only SMS type. There was no WhatsApp those days. So I SMS them from my husband's phone because I am not having phone.
Oh.
Oh.
And I did the SMS from there. Then my husband got the message after 1 month. He got that she has to come to the Anthony school in Andheri something, and she has to bring her recipe. She has to bring the prepared dish with her at 10:30 a.m. So much happiness. I went at 10:30 a.m. But my round came only at night 10 o'clock.
Oh.
Whole day I was sitting there only with so much curiosity, but I learned a lot by whoever comes back out. I learned a lot from them, what they did wrong, what they did wrong. So that was a very good strong. It made me strong. Some people came with so much happiness that I didn't won, but they asked me some questions. I asked what question they asked you. like that, I gathered like an interview. I took all the gathering, but when I went, my sad life is they didn't ask me anything, and they told what you have made. I said I made bisibela baat. I told. They said morning you have brought it and it won't become kharab nahi ho jayega kya? I said no. I said I have confidence. It won't become because I never put the heart in that. So it was made with this thing only, so it won't become. So they all tasted and they were very happy. And they were looking each other and they asked me, come on, tell me about your family. They asked me. That is the first question they asked me in thing. I told I have only one husband. That's all. I'm selected. No other questions at all. ये TRP के लिए रख दो इसको. ये TRP के लिए selected. That's all.
So गीता माँ, आपका पूरा दिन रुकने का मेहनत सफल हो गया. You got selected. So what was your first feeling? So this was like the first introduction to the glam world, sort of the world, the social world.
Yeah, right? And among 8,000 people, we are 20 are selected from Mumbai.
Oh wow, very nice. So Geeta Ma, so the transition from teacher to being on the show as a cook. So ये feeling कैसा था जब first time आप set पे गए after this thing?
मेरे को कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ा because I was already a very confident person because I always don't become like a teacher, no, I'm always like a friend with my children, no, so I didn't had any this thing and all, I didn't had any fear नहीं है मेरे को. So I was very bindas. I was telling madam कि they said your ball is this, your आपका छोटा छोटा बाल है. मैं बोला मैं क्या करूँ, ऐसा I asked him. I can't do anything, I told. So they were so fed up. ये कुछ भी बोलता है. I was so bindas because I can't put makeup. यार, they are telling put makeup and come. I can't put any makeup and all, I told. So they said now you do whatever you want to do. They finally they did. And my first season 1 में first episode में मैं नहीं आया था. That is a selection round they have taken it. And that one I told I have only one husband. That became very viral in YouTube. And everyone started messaging me. Then at that time, I didn't have any Facebook account. I didn't have any Instagram account. I don't know about social media at all. Then my daughter told, Twitter में देखा है Ranveer Brar and Vikas Khanna has tweeted. She is a bae, B-A-E, bae. I don't know what is the meaning of bae also that those time, no? So Geeta Ma is a bae. Nice. So then I asked my daughter, what is that bae? Cool person, yo person.
Yo. Nice.
So my daughter was so happy. She saw it on Twitter and told it is trending that day. And she told you have to open your account because you can feel happy about seeing your clippings because they are putting chota clippings in Twitter. So then that slowly I started my social media.
Very nice. So basically MasterChef got you introduced to this world of social media. Because of it, you started going and getting attention and you decided to make the social media accounts.
Yes.
Very nice. So this is in 2016, right? This was in 2014. 2014. Okay. So basically it was MasterChef 2014, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Season 4.
Season
Full
4.
Vegetarian it is.
Perfect. So basically till 2014 you were only a teacher, right?
Yes.
Wow. So guys, 2014 अभी 2021 है, अब 55 years हो, right? अभी 55 years अभी है, 5 years पहले 50 years के जब थे तब उन्होंने कुछ नया सीखा और आज हमारे साथ है एक philanthropist और dancer और influencer. So this is a very good journey. We have so क्या होता है ना गीता माँ, there is a set mentality with people के 30 years का हो गया, 35 years का हो गया, 40 years क्या होगा, अब क्या करेगा जिंदगी में. So you are an idol for all of us जो भाई 50 years पे मैंने कुछ नया शुरू किया बॉस. I am like that. Nice. So basically you were like this. There also there was no behind the scene wala scene. You were original then also, you are original now also. Wow. So this is another quality which we
I
should
want
learn
to
from
be
you.
myself. If I want to wear one piece, no, I will wear on myself. I can't wear for others. I can't live life for others.
Nice.
You can't ask me. I have seen you in many one piece picture, but I love to wear only when I love to wear it. You can't force me to do what I have to do, na.
Wow. Perfect. So Geetama, this was a very happening and very eventful introduction session. Normally इतना eventful नहीं होता. आपने जो चीजें reveal की है वो जान के मुझे खुद इतना excitement आया कि किसी से डरना नहीं है.
Yeah.
जो भी करना है दिल से करना है. तो this is itself a inspiring session for me and my team, I'm sure. So thank you very much.
Yeah.
Ab, Geetama, before we move forward to our next segment, I also wanted to ask you one question. So I have an idea that you have done a love marriage. So is it true that it was a love marriage?
More or less, yes only.
So during those times when arranged marriage was like a very normal thing and love marriage was not that easy, right? So how did this happen then? Because this is also a very good story. This has to be a good story.
Actually, I didn't had any girlfriends at all in my school days also, college days also, and now also. All are boyfriends only.
Okay.
Till now, I have all Rohan. Like this only my WhatsApp mein aata hai. My husband is asking who is Rohan, who is Vishal, who is Vishnu, who is Rugved. I don't have any girl's name. Only Kushi ka naam hai. I don't know till how many days she'll be with me. Because girls ke saath mere ko patch up nahi hota.
No, but how did you first meet your husband? Where did you see him? कैसे हुआ ये?
From 10th standard, I had 12 boyfriends and we are very close and we go out. Those days only, we bunk school and we go to movies and and I am at that type of nature and I was doing whatever I want to do and we will jump the gate and we'll go out. So watchman also go jaane to mere ko 500 rupees de do. He will say we'll give 10 rupees and we'll go. So like that it was. So my appa asked me, if you have any affair with them itself, you tell me. So no need to find any horoscope for you. So I felt very happy. I told they are my close friends, my thick friends. I can't consider them as my lover or what. Correct. So I told I know you can carry on. So he started searching for me. And I came for a project in Pune for a ad ke liye because I'm doing something in computer which I proved them that if you clap the hands, the TV will off. Like that, I did a project for something. They told me to do it. So if I clap the hands, the TV will off. If I do 2 times, the TV will be on. That was the project I did. So we all the 12 people only we came there here and we did the project. And our project got gold medal also. We got. So what happened? So that day only evening, Pune mein hum log ko bhasha, we don't know the Hindi language. So we each other talking in Tamil and we were in the launch mein, we were standing and talking and fighting and beating each other. And you didn't properly answer when the boss asked something. So we were doing nagging each other. That time where I was laughing to the core and from upar se ye koi bhi mere ko dekha hai. So all told, see, from Bank of India, somebody is watching you. Be careful. Thoda loud, you always laugh so much. I have the bad habit. No, I don't see the situation. I laugh. Gada, 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 I will laugh. So again, I told, so what can you do? I'm not bothered at all because now it's after 5. It is not bank time now. If he's sitting unnecessarily in the bank, it is not my problem. Nice. So we all are beating each other, biting each other, shouting each other and throwing books because we did the project now, so we don't want to keep anymore the project. We are throwing it and everything we are doing and from there he saw.
So basically between the chaos, he saw you from the top and then he fell for you, right? Oh, nice. So girls, this is one more thing. You don't need to be a sadgi wala aurat to attract a guy. You have to be yourself. लड़के सामने से देखेंगे, notice करेंगे and he'll approach you. So he approached you or you approached him? He approached you.
He approached through my parents only because...
Nice.
Because he is in Mumbai and I am in Chennai.
Okay.
He took the address from there, from the where the launch we stayed,
Ah,
From the launch, he took the number and everything and the details of the college, Anna Adarsh College. Then there he went and there he took the everything, all the details like that he did. And to be frank, he is 6 feet. You can see him backside and very gora and so much personality. And I am ulta. I am short. I am fat and I am kala. मेरे को ये क्या देके मेरे को पसंद किया ऐसा हुआ
Geeta Ma, you are being modest now. So obviously you were special then, you are special now, and that's the reason he approached you. So that's very, very modest of you. Geeta Ma, now that we are done with this introduction segment, हम आगे जाएंगे. It was very eventful, very exciting. अब we'll move on to Sarita. She'll be taking you through a rapid fire question round.
So, Gitama will start rapid fire question round, wherein I will be asking few questions and you have to answer the questions in seconds. मतलब आपको जल्दी जल्दी क्विकली आंसर करना होगा. बहुत ही इजी क्वेश्चन है. मैं आपकी टीचर बनूंगी, आप मेरे स्टूडेंट. ओके. तो आपका पहला क्वेश्चन है, which profession is closest to your heart? Teacher, actor, chef, singer or influencer? Choose anyone.
Singer.
Okay. Next question. If you have to choose any one place, Mumbai or Chennai?
Mumbai.
Okay. The other question is, which platforms do you prefer the most? Instagram, YouTube, or any other social app?
My family is my app for me because they are the one who loves my activities.
Okay.
So there is no option for me, family.
Okay, all right. The next question is, South male actor, whom would you love to work with? Rajnikant, Kamal Hassan or Chiranjeevi? If you get a chance to work.
I want to do with Talaiva.
Okay. And the other question is, choose anyone, Tollywood, Bollywood or Collywood?
Bollywood is enough.
Bollywood. All right. And the other question is, reading books or watching documentaries?
I love to read books. That too Tamil books.
Okay. Whom, according to you, is better, Sanjeev Kapoor or Manish?
Me, it's me better.
All right. After a TikTok ban, which social app you like the most?
Till now, no comments. Till now, nothing is satisfying for me.
Okay. Choose anyone, classical dance or western dance?
Both.
Both.
But I prefer classical first.
Okay. If you had to choose any singer, anyone you have to choose. So the first one is Chitra, second is Balasubramaniam, third is Sid Sriram. Choose anyone.
SBB.
Okay. And the last.
இந்த காதலன்றி யாரும் வாழ்தல் கூடுமோ. Breathless song it is. Excellent it was. SBB ka. That time only I am fan of him.
Okay.
I'm very small.
Okay. And the last question, Bollywood star. Anyone you have to choose. Amitabh Bachchan, Dilip Kumar and Rajesh Khanna.
I go for Amitabh Bachchan because my husband is also like Amitabh Bachchan only.
Okay. So the rapid fire section is done. So the next round would be taken by Suhar.
Ma'am, in this round, in this segment, I'm going to ask you questions about your profession. There are many professions of yours, but let's start with cooking.
Okay.
So my first question is, difference between normal food and miniature food. What is the difference and is it difficult to make it? And I just want to ask.
Actually, miniature food, I'm not able to cook at all. So what we will do is, we will do all the video as if we are cooking in that one only. But final touch would be the real cooking, and we will put it in that and complete it. Because nothing will happen in the miniature cooking. Sorry to say, because everything needs the stove. So what we do, the last step would be, it would be boiling nicely. We will close the lid or something, we'll put the cooker or something, we'll do the drama. Then while opening, our regular already kept one would be there, that we will be filling it there. Thoda garam karega. So when I open it, it will be dalak bulak, it will be boiling. So you will think that it is ready.
Oh, अच्छा, programs पे भी ऐसा ही होता है.
Yes.
हाँ, yes. It takes
One
time.
is to make you reach to, it looks very nice to see, no? The stress buster है वो. Some people love to see like that, no? तो छोटा miniature में देखने के लिए उन लोगों को they feel very good in while seeing it. So that is a way to relaxing our mind.
Yeah.
Otherwise, according to me, nothing would be properly cooked, and I can't waste the food unnecessarily by making it without boiling it or without cooking it raw and all. So whatever is made, it will be reused with me. So I avoid doing it directly there. The last ending scenario would be the behind the scene kawala.
Oh, that was great.
I
didn't know about that.
Sorry to interrupt.
Yeah.
गीता माँ, जैसे आपने बताया मिनिएचर कुकिंग का आप लोग एंडिंग में ऐसे करते हो, तो आप बिलीव नहीं करोगे, मिनिएचर कुकिंग मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है वो सब देखने में, क्योंकि वो सब टॉयज जो होते हैं. तो मैं आपसे इनफैक्ट सवाल भी करने वाली थी कि जब भी आप लोग उस पर कुकिंग करते हो तो आप लोग नीचे से मैच स्टिक्स जो होते हैं वो रखते हो, तो कितने स्टिक्स चलाने पे वो खाना बनता है, खाना पकता है वहाँ पे? मैं आपको ये सवाल करने वाली थी. अच्छा वो आपने बता दिया, वरना मैं तो स्टिक्स जलाते बैठ जाती. क्योंकि मुझे ऐसा लगा था कि
Papad and that we can make. See, I make papad in miniature cooking. That comes. Mini dosa I can make. All those things can be made, but not real cooking. Chicken, fish, rice, biryani and all. Very difficult.
Okay.
Yeah. Geeta, moving on to my next question, which is like, how do you manage both social media and cooking? Because like you have to make the food look attractive, and it's different. Like, is it the same what you put it in the social media, or do you do something extra to make it more attractive?
My dishes are very, very simple. I concentrate on the main thing only. I won't go on for the styling thing, because I feel the food has to be good when we are eating it, not on the presentation part. So mostly 99% of my concentration would be on the main cooking and not on the presentation part. So my food, you can see, everything would be very simple only.
But your pictures are so beautiful. When we open your social media, we see that they look very attractive. That's why
nothing done. Like as if the food stylist will do, no? Like that I won't do anything.
Oh, that's great to know about it. Ma'am, how do you manage your time with social media and cooking both? Do you have some managers for social media, or do you do it all alone?
Till now, I have not appointed anyone. And to be frank, when I'm really busy with my works, my handle will be handled by my daughters, because they have the access to it. You know about it, because the same will be in my first daughter account also, my second daughter account also. So whenever I'm stuck anywhere, I will request them to do it, because sometimes I have to do it immediately, because when I get the paid collaboration, they will give me the timing, like 3 o'clock only you have to upload it. Then that time I won't be available, my net won't be available, or I would be in the shooting. So that time I'll just message my daughter. So anyone will take we have a group, family group. So one will say like this, they raise hands karega, to kaun raise hands karega? So she would have been done that work.
Oh.
Sometimes they didn't do also.
Acha.
Both will raise the hands, both won't do it. And the PR will ask, ma'am, उसमें ही मेरे को मालूम पड़ेगा. Okay, something happened. गीता माँ, ऐसा एक टोन में आता है ना, वही टाइम मेरे को मालूम पड़ेगा. Okay, it is not yet published or what? Yes, Geeta Ma. Then I tell, can you do one thing? Please tell me. I'm giving you my ID, my password, please do it. And she will do it. Then I will change the password.
अच्छा क्या बात है.
Because I have no other options. No, when I have to trust my PR.
Last minute, हाँ. You have to
And
trust your PR.
they also trust me and I also trust them. So that is the understanding between me and my PR.
That's great, actually. That should be. And I wanted to ask this, like, how is cooking in a show different and cooking at your home different?
Yes, excellent question you have asked. Till now, no one has asked this question. Here, the food would not be wasted at home.
Oh.
At home. In shooting, the same food, this shot, that shot, thoda bugane wala shot. So, वो आने के लिए, they'll put some spray, they'll add something to that, for that. So you can't eat it.
Oh, they spoil the food.
Total waste. That time only मेरे को mood ऐसा होता है ना. So they will say, what is this, ma'am? This is the end shot. Please be smiling. Please be smiling. मेरे को smiling नहीं आएगा, because when the food is wasted like that, that's a crime according to me. It's a sheer waste they are doing. But I can't do anything. Because they are paying, I am doing it. But inside my heart, it will be lumped up. ऐसा मेरा blood pressure इतना पीछ में जाएगा ना. I feel very sad about it because nothing can be used.
But
that is the way they take the thoda hawa ke liye, thoda buga ke liye. They do all the techniques there as if it is real, but nothing is real.
But they taste the food, no? At the ending of the show.
That would be behind the scene. One more would be done already there.
Oh, they bring some other item and they just eat it.
This is what we do every time.
Is it like every participant's food is wasted to show it in a better way? Or
I won't say every participant. It depends on the brand in which you are doing the work, with collaborating. Because some brand are very, very, their reach are very good and they want to show it in a very different way. For example, I don't want to mention anyone's name. Recently, I did one, where I did that Visibella Bath. They showed directly in the camera like this. Correct?
Oh.
They kept the camera here. That time it was real, but after that it started everything, no? That is all not real. They make it like that. Then only you feel, no, when you see the McDonald's burger ad, you feel like eating. Like that the आग will come. That is not real. Everything spray कर दिया उसका ऊपर वो आने के लिए. That is a technique behind the food styling.
Yeah, that's what I'm actually shocked because I never heard about it.
Really shocked. As a person who loves food and I don't want to waste food, I really feel very, very sad about this. But now, thank God, now recently I started shooting with one more celebrity person. There I cook my food. I tell them, I'll request them, don't do anything, let it be natural. So it will be natural, and all my cameraman, all the assistants, the people who wash the vessels and everyone, I saw they will take and they will eat. This is what I want.
Yeah, last में waste नहीं होना चाहिए. कोई ना कोई तो खा ही लेगा.
So I want real, and the reach also went 1 billion. So wow. Real reaches very well. Everyone must know that. But what to do? Sometimes brand asks like that. No, we have to accept it. No, we are working for the brands means we have to listen to them only. We can't do what we want to do. Sometimes we have to accept and do it.
Ma'am, this was actually shocking for the people who actually didn't know this secret. People love to watch a cooking show and they think after the whole show everyone eats it together and they're happily enjoying and going home. But this is a very big reveal you have done.
Yes.
On a show.
Many times 70%, 80% happened to me.
Oh.
Sometimes I tell them, don't do it. Let me take. So what I'll do, sometimes I'll take half the portion from that. I will remove it.
Okay.
Sometimes I can do it, but sometimes no, the bowl has to be very it has to be very nice in a way, no?
it has to be
Sometimes
full.
I can't remove it, yeah.
ऐसा नहीं कि थोड़ा एक शॉट में पूरा दिख रहा है, एक शॉट में आधा
Rice,
हो
you
गया
get quantity more. Rice part and all, you get the quantity more. So I remove half of the part. But sometimes when you do something else, no, like fried wala, then you won't get anything.
Yeah, that's. Thank you, Geetama, for answering all my questions. And the next segment would be hosted by Bhavesh.
Hi.
Geetama, now this is a different segment. The segment's name is Acting Challenge. So, are you ready to act?
Not to act. Whatever really coming from here, I will do it.
So basically, what you have to do here is that I'll give you a movie name. Okay?
Movie name.
Something like Dum Charades.
Okay.
So you have to enact. See, Suhas and Sarita doesn't know which movie I'm going to give you.
But Hindi movie and all, I don't know.
No, you don't have. You just have to act, right?
Okay.
So I'll give you a name,
Ah.
and you have to enact and try to convince Suhas. Try to explain Suhas and Sarita which movie it is.
Okay.
Okay? This would be the first round. The second round would be you will be acting, and that would be for the audience. So,
Okay.
second round, whatever you act, if the audience comes up with the correct answer, and
Okay.
we'll ask other questions also. If they come up with the correct answer, we'll give them some hampers. So,
Okay.
as of now, we'll start with first acting challenge. I'll give you a movie name on chat. They don't know about it. You
Okay.
have to do it and explain them. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
So you can take your space. आप camera लगा लो, हटा दो, जो भी whatever you want to do. I am going to come up with a Hindi movie name only. So you have to do it. Okay.
Ah.
So this is a challenge to you from our team.
Okay.
So here is your movie name. Here it goes.
So can you see me?
हाँ गीता माँ, one more thing, you can adjust your camera. हम लोग edit कर लेंगे, आप आराम से edit कर लेना, मतलब you relax. You got the movie name, right?
Okay, first word.
First word.
Sochna.
Time.
Thinking. Fourth word.
Fourth word.
4 words का total है movie. Okay. सोचो.
Socho. कुछ होता है.
Correct.
Oh shit! Wow. So basically, Geeta Ma started with words, and then she selected a scene from the movie, and Sarita.
Screenplay दिखा दिया गीता.
Wow, very nice, Geeta Ma. This was like, I guess, the quickest, I guess.
Yeah, the quickest.
So अभी तक हम लोग ने जितने भी लोगों के पास करवाया, this is the quickest which my team has come up with. So now, second one would be a little tough. Geeta Ma, are you ready?
But for them or for the audience, it
So
is.
this is
the
for
audience.
the audience.
So we can't.
So what we'll do is that again they'll be judging the movie. So you'll have to act. They'll not say the movie name on screen. They'll personally message me, "Ki this is the movie." If I get the correct answer from them, then I know that you have done a good job, and then the audience should be able to get it. Correct?
Yeah.
You get the point, right? So
Yes.
I'll intimate you that I got the name. Okay.
Yes.
So now I am going to give the second movie name to you. Okay, I'll give hint afterwards, but this is going to be tough now. The second movie.
I don't know what to act only.
But
Okay, I
I'm
tried.
surprised. What could be it?
Any answer came?
No, not yet. Try something else. Okay, I'll give a hint now. I'll give a hint. It is a South Indian movie. I'll give a hint. It is a South Indian movie. Sarita, message me in chat, private. Yeah. Okay, I got the answer. I got the answer. How? I don't know, but you managed to get the answer. It is a correct answer, Sarita. So now, amazing. Geetama, this is like, I did not expect that I'll get an answer this easily, but well done. So Geetama, this is like amazing, yeah? मतलब आपने यार दोनों कर दिया. पहला वाला तो still I was expecting you to do it quickly, but ये वाला भी. So it's amazing. So now guys, we know that she's a very good actress also. So Geetama, it was amazing. I hope you enjoyed acting. You can take a break, you can drink water if you want, and we'll move forward.
Yes.
अच्छा Geetama, we had a discussion about you getting an Abdul Kalam Award. So थोड़ा और बताइए ना आप क्या करते हो ये students के साथ about your social work, so people can get inspired and can help you also if required.
See, not only taking care of the cancer kids, I also do many other activities. Like we have one more ashram, I don't want to mention the name. So I go there and I teach the cooking for them because they all are disabled kids, so that they can cook on their own and they can live on their own, like easy cooking like that. I'm teaching them how to make it when if no one is there, when a servant doesn't comes to help them, like that I do. And one more is there here where I go and make them understand what is good touch and what is bad touch and how to live your life even though they are counting their days, how to live happily. And I teach them mandala art for them so that उन लोग का stress remove नहीं करेगा. So I not only take care of them only, I take care of the visually impaired kids also, handicapped kids also, and many kids. There are many are there in my list.
Wow. So basically,
And in Chennai also I have one more orphanage I have where there is only handicapped kids are there. So if really anyone wants to help, they can, in Chennai people, they can help there because the trust is called Arunodayam Trust and we take care all the handicapped kids there. And so this is what I want to tell.
Nice. So basically, if people want to help you in a social cause, they can contact Arunadam Club.
Arunodayam Trust.
Arunodayam Trust, right?
Trust.
So we'll specifically mention this trust's name in our description after we release our video. So
Yes.
make note of it. Acha,
And they can get tax exemption also. And it is an the form was taken care by Mr. Ayyappan.
so basically, we'll get 80 GS certificate for donating there also, right? Very nice, very nice. So, अच्छा, and apart from that, जो मुंबई में करते हो, उसके लिए अगर किसी को help करना है, so they can contact you directly.
Yeah, definitely. And I won't tell them to give it for me because I have many places where you will be getting the receipt also for that.
Oh, nice, very nice.
Oh.
So,
And you can come personally, you can be with them, you can enjoy with them, you can dance with them, you can spend time with them. And if you want, you can tell them to make a wish and you can give them. Because recently we did a New Year wish thing and many people asked for laptops, handbags, purse, games, everything. So we donated those things. I think Kushi has seen that. So these are the way we are doing it.
So basically, Ma, one last question on this. So if people want to approach you, they can approach you through your website?
They can approach through my website also, or they can approach you also.
Very nice. So if anyone contacts us, we'll surely contact you for that. So Geeta Ma, it was a fun-filled session for us. Very good session. Before we, we are coming towards the end. So before we end, we wanted to ask you. So every person, almost every person has a quote or some inspiration which they come up with.
Recently, for the past 1 year, I am telling that let it go.
Acha.
Because I went under a deep depression after my mom's death.
Okay.
Recently, 1 year before. And 6 months, I don't know what is to be done. I was only crying. So that time I thought, let it go.
Okay. This is very insightful, no? Let it go. Simple words. 3 simple words. Let it go. That's it. And every problem can be tackled.
Yes.
These amazing words. So I guess I'll add this to my list of inspiring quotes.
Yes.
Let it go. Wow. So Geeta Ma, finally, before we end this show, how to be a chef, be honest with their profession also, and also use their resources to become famous and earn money in this particular field. So what can be done?
My advice is do your passion. Automatically the hard work would be paid.
Acha. Nice. So no specific tips, only hard work works.
Yes. Because I am there, no?
Very nice, Geeta Ma. Acha, Geeta Ma, jate, I'm very greedy when it comes to you now. I wanted to ask, ये 55 पे इतना energy कैसे? और एक tip, please.
See, my appa always says, smile. Every time smile. And whatever you do from right hand, don't show it to your left hand. These are the 2 things he teached me. So I feel my appa is my inspiration and he told what he told, I am following it. But recently 6 months, I didn't follow it properly because I lost my mom. I was in so much, even Kushi knows that time only I joined in the Rizzle app also. So then finally I am back to normal now. Now, even though I didn't went through any medication, only through yoga, only through walking, only through drawing, by singing, I came out of depression with my family support.
Nice, very nice. So you do yoga also now. So
yes.
There's something.
Even though I went to a top psychiatrist to better check it up, he said nothing to worry at all. Let it go. He told me.
Nice, very nice.
Don't hold it here. Let it go.
Very nice. So basically the tips, guys, is let it go. Things will fall in place. And the tip to be successful is hard work. Nothing else works. So thank you very much, Geeta Ma. It was like pleasure to have you here with us.
Yes.
I hope you enjoyed the show and anything else you want to tell us.
I want to say a special thanks to my family and a special thanks to Dr. Milind, psychiatrist, who said no treatment for you, only let it go. And for my yoga guru, Isha, and for my dance guru, Bosky and Puneet, who made me back to this world.
Nice, very nice.
So thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
And now, before we close it, I want a pose. So now any pose, we'll try to replicate it. You give a pose, we'll just copy you. So any pose.
मेरे को गीता माँ को देख के हमेशा यो याद आता है यो.
Yo. So you do a yo. Okay.
ये.
Subhas.
नहीं मैं वो ले लूँगा.
ठीक है. Pose. Done. Thank you very much, Geeta Ma. Okay, one more. Okay, one more.